In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image placeholder in PowerPoint. This is a simple yet powerful technique that can completely transform the way you design presentations. By learning this method, you'll be able to create professional looking slides where images fit seamlessly into the design. Instead of resizing, cropping, or struggling to make visuals align properly, you'll have a ready-made space for pictures, giving your slides a polished and uniform appearance every single time. To get started, open PowerPoint on your computer. You can either create a new presentation if you want to start fresh or open an existing file that you'd like to improve. Once your presentation is ready, the next step is to head over to the View tab at the top of the screen. This is one of the most important areas of PowerPoint when it comes to structuring your slides. Inside the View tab, you'll find an option called Slide Master. Think of the Slide Master as the blueprint of your presentation. It defines the layouts, styles, and elements that will appear across multiple slides, which makes it the perfect place to set up an image placeholder. After clicking on Slide Master, you'll see a new panel open on the left side of your screen showing different slide layouts. Each one represents a possible structure you can use in your presentation. To keep things simple, select the second slide in this list, as is typically the default layout for most content slides. Once you've selected the layout, look at the ribbon at the top of the screen and find the option labeled Insert Placeholder. This is a tool that allows you to add specific types of placeholders, such as text boxes, charts, tables, and in our case, images. From the drop-down menu, choose the Picture option. Now click and drag on the slide layout to draw your placeholder. You can resize and reposition it until you're satisfied with how it looks. This space will now act as a dedicated area for images. What makes it powerful is that whenever you or someone else uses this layout, all you have to do is drag and drop an image into the placeholder. PowerPoint will automatically fit it into the designated space, maintaining a clean and consistent design. Once you finish creating the placeholder, close the Slide Master view and return to your presentation. Now, whenever you insert a new slide using that layout, the placeholder will be there waiting for you. This makes it incredibly easy to maintain a professional look across all your slides, especially in presentations that require a lot of visuals. And that's it. You've successfully created an image placeholder in PowerPoint. This small step can save you a lot of time and effort while ensuring that your presentations always look organized and visually appealing. Whether you're preparing a business pitch, a class project, or even a personal slideshow, this technique will help your slides stand out. Try it out for yourself and see the difference it makes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.